This is so icy. How are we gonna make this? Colorado River right there. Just trying to find these waterfalls. Oh man, they were smart to have spikes in their shoes. Actually, yo, step on the fresh packs.
Yeah.
Not worn down as much with ice. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks. How's the hike?
Good, it's pretty slick.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Especially with all the sun's hitting it. Oh, snap. That's sick. Whoa, what the fuck? Oh. Oh man. This is awesome. Watch it, it's slick right there. Alright.
Hey, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad.
That's good.
Thank you.
You hear the water? See, look, you're glad you didn't leave that jacket, because when the sun's not on you and the wind picks up in a canyon, it gets cold. you doing?
Oh, I'm all right. I dropped my glasses somewhere.
Oh no.
Other than that, it's all good.
I didn't see any.
All right.
I wish I did so I could let you know where I might have seen them.
It's all good. Thanks.
Best of luck. I hope you find them. This is so wild. Okay. Man. Wow. You hear the water trickling under it? It like turns into a whole nother temperate zone or climate zone.
Tundra.
We're in the tundra right now. Into tiger. I'm just sweaty, period. I stopped recording right before you fell too. That was the first one. Only one slip so far, and it is an icy, slippery mess. Oh, that's pretty dope. Hey there, how you guys doing?
We're getting married.
Nice, congratulations.
You just proposed?
Yeah, that's
No way.
Oh, that's awesome, congratulations.
Oh, yeah.
Do not shortcut switchbanks. Damn.
Is this what they were talking about?
I don't know. I guess. I mean, don't cut through trails like this right here. I could do that easily, but I'm not even gonna bother. Fresh. Feeling fresh. Oh my gosh. Should have bought those poles. You good?
Should have my GoPro for this.
Yeah. How's the hike?
Oh, amazing.
It's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like gorgeous.
Can't wait to get up there.
Yeah, and then once you do Hanging Lake, there's some dotted rock or something. Yeah,
So go up there.
Because it's another fall, like in a little cave.
Nice.
It's just like
It's
right
super close.
before it. Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
White River National Forest. I'm gonna carve my name in here. I'm gonna carve my name in there. Oh my gosh, it's so sick. Oh. Winter Wonderland. It's getting real slippery. Shouldn't have pulled in there on our armors. Slippery right there, watch. Three-quarters of a mile. Holy shit. Hi.
cave.
That's dope. Be cool to have fire right there. Here. Put this back on.
Damn, this is like probably the cleanest air we ever breathed in our lives. Fresh as fuck. This is crazy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow. This is just awesome.
You're halfway there. It's more like right around the corner.
Nice. Thank God.
Oh yeah.
This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Alright, let's finish this trek. Dude, these poles were so necessary.
I know.
Like, imagine how dangerous it would be without these things. Oh my gosh. Poles is cold as shit though. Just use that glove that you got to grip it as hard as you can. Yes, we made it. Oh my gosh. This is sick. Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. This is so sick.
The water's crystal clear. Oh my gosh.
See it coming out from the moss. Ooh.
Right in front of Colorado River. Yeah.
So this is Hanging Lake? We just saw the main waterfall area down there where the water seems to hang off, making a beautiful falls. We're lucky to see it half frozen, which looks really cool. And this one's sick too, wow. It's coming right out of the canyon. Whoa! Oh man, it's awesome.
Oh. This water goes straight into the Colorado River.
Ghost working on his whip here.